Hello, boys and girls. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Marvin the Martian. All right, so I'm just going to lay out kind of where all of his parts and pieces go. He is a fun character from Looney Tunes. Okay, so now I kind of know where things are going. Now I'm going to start doing some detail stuff. So you're using your pencil. So I'm going to start with a line here. It's going to have a curvy line come over here, and then another curvy line and come over there. Then we're going to have kind of a circle underneath there. We're gonna have a half, kind of a 3/4 circle, 3/4 circle, and that's where his eyes are. He's such a funny character. And then he's got his helmet kind of strappy thing here with another kind of line inside of it. And then on this side, we have a rectangle coming down, another line vertical coming across. And then we have, it looks like that. Okay, then for the helmet, we're gonna have a line coming around like that. And we're gonna have another line right here. And then we're gonna have another line like that. Let's make these double lines. Perfect. Then we're gonna have a line coming across the top, like so. A little couple lines there. We're gonna have another shape here. And then we're gonna have a line coming out, across, up, across, and then we're gonna have 2 more lines coming up, and then we're just gonna do some there we go. And there is the top of his helmet. All right, now we're gonna do his neck, boink, boink. And then we're gonna do his arms. They come out and down, down and over, a little bit bigger through here. Same thing over here, down or over, across, and down. All right, there we go. And then we're gonna have his body like that. And then we're gonna have little oval, oval. And here's one hand over, around, and in. So over, around, and in. Then we're gonna have another one, and another one. And then we're gonna have a line like that. Then we're gonna do the same thing here. Down and around like that. Let's start here with the line. There we go. 2 fingers, 3 fingers. He's only a 3-fingered alien. Okay, now we're gonna draw his waist here. Or that's the bottom of his shirt. Okay, then he's got this shape right here for his skirt, I guess you'd call it. Then we're gonna come back over like that, down, down, across, back. Then we're gonna do another one here, out, okay, down, back up, like that. And then we got another little bit like that. There he is. All right, now we're gonna draw his little legs. Boom and boom, nothing to him. Now for his shoes, we're gonna start on the inside, come down, back up, and in. And then he's got a line like that, and a line like that. And then he's got some of these lines coming across. And he's got like a, I don't know if this is his symbol for his shoe. And then he's got the tread on the bottom. He's got some big feet, huh? Okay, so here we go again. We're gonna go down, around, back over. On this side, he has, he doesn't have this little piece here. It just comes over like that. Here's the tread on his shoe. There's that, and voila, we have Marvin the Martian. So funny. If you enjoyed this